Lake Como is only around 35 minutes drive from our authentic Italian accommodation in Limbiate, Italy. We parked in Parcheggio Santarella, which is around 20 minutes walk to the pier.
Hi there, what's up moms and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to tour you around Como. It's a very beautiful city or town here in Italy. And later on, we're going to ride a boat tour, going to the small villages in the Lake Como. So we're gonna see the amazing beauty of Lake Como. It's actually at the bottom of the Alp Mountains. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Love it! Hi! Syempre, before we start our day, we're gonna have gelato. Ang ice cream, Italian ice cream.
I would like pistachio and stracciatella. And a cone.
That my gelato for today. Choco melon and pistachio. Here's Poppy's authentic cappuccino with a heart. Authentic from Italy. Dead mo siya. And then I'm gonna be having a cream coffee. It is like a dessert. It's cold and at the same time it's sweet. Powder pa siya. Look at that. So someone is eating my dessert. This guy.
What's the dessert after the ice cream?
My dessert after ice cream. It's called cafe creme. Ang sarap! My gosh! Legit ang sarap niya. Parang ano, ice cappuccino. Ang sarap, tapos madaming cream. Perfect. Dito na ako titira. Ang sarap.
After a few minutes walk, we reach this 3 centuries old Cathedral de Santa Maria Assunta, Domo di Como. The Duomo was the last of the Gothic cathedrals to be built in Lombardy. Construction work began in 1396, around 10 years after the foundation stone of Milan Cathedral was laid, and lasted around 3.5 centuries. During this time, numerous architectural styles were incorporated into the cathedral. The original late Gothic or early Renaissance style has remained the dominant architectural style.
Getting ready for the sun, these European people.
Which one?
From here, it's only around 7 minutes walk to Lake Como cruises with public or private boat tours.
Would like to have a boat ride here in Como, there's lots of choices. It's either go on a private tour or go on a public one. which is where I went because it's way much cheaper. It's around 20 bucks to 10 bucks. So unfortunately, the long ride, which is from Como going to Colico, it's the last port in the whole stretch of Lake Como, is already sold out. So I was only able to buy the shorter one, which is going to Torno. So it has like 4 or 5 stops in it, but it's also unlimited for only $8.90 something for an adult. And then children below 4 years old are free. So really great deal. So I only have to pay 17 something for me and Popshi. To avoid the hassle of queuing up, you can also book your ticket online. Buy your ticket ahead of time. Then you have to come earlier, at least 30 minutes, so you can buy your ticket first and then wait for your boat ride. So now we're going to pier number 5. This is where we're going to ride our boat going to Torno. So let's see and los geets. Super ingat, ma'am, she said, friends. And take note that the FFP mask is a mask. FFP2 mask is a mask here. So bring one or else you're gonna buy it for 3 euros outside for one piece. Napakamahal ba? And the pamaypay is 3 euros. Super expensive.
The famous stops in Lake Como are Bellagio, Menagio, and Varena, which are actually in the middle of the lake. But since we arrived late and the tickets to Calico, or at the end of the Lake Como, are all sold out, so we don't have a choice but to take the last fast boat to the 4 destinations and skip the first one to save time. They actually don't suggest us to go there since there's no sightseeing or landmark compared to the second port, which is the Cernobbio.
Halika. It is good?
Yes. Yes.
Uy, Cernobbio. Here. So, Momshis and friends, we just alight in Cernobbio. This is the second stop from Como. Meron daw ditong mga makikita, sightseeing. So, ayan. Let's check this out.
Cernobbio is also a stopping point on the bus and ferry services that links Como to Colico via the west side of Lake Como. It is the starting point for the long-distance footpath to La Via dei Monti Loriani.
We gotcha.
As it is getting late, we decided to skip the third stop, which is the Moltration. It's opposite the last stop of the turning point, which is Torno.
For a family of 4, it's advisable to make short trips instead of purchasing the whole boat tour from end to end, as you won't be able to finish the whole course within a day for sure, unless you will just stay in the boat most of the times. The ports with the small charming communes are undeniably beautiful that you wouldn't want to miss to take a look at its wonder. Torno has charming commune vibe with restaurants near the pier, which is so inviting. The Romanesque Paris Church of Saint Thecla features a large Gothic rose window with a portal dating from 1480. We walked around for a few minutes in this commune and decided to head back to Como for our dinner. In La Pasta Restaurante, we found lots of pasta noodle selection and sauces of your choice. Definitely our Italian ultimate goal.
She's like she wants to blow it also.
Even though we weren't able to see the most famous places in Lake Como, it's still very much satisfying and indeed a wonderful day. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!